not necessarily quantity over quality. Ideally, you want quantity that leads to quality. That's the part that people miss. And so in one of my recent newsletters, I was talking about Vincent Van Gough. First of all, he had no intentions of becoming a painter. He first tried to become a preacher. He got fired from that job. Then he was like, okay, I'm going to become a teacher. He was bad at that. He got fired from that job. And then he decided to pick up art, and no one can fire you from playing with pencils. So he just kept doing it. And he just kept creating stuff, and his very early stuff was not that great, so he was copying a bunch of different people and picking up loads of different techniques. And so by the time that he died, he had completed over 900 paintings, and on top of that you have countless sketches and drawings as well. And that's just within 10 years. So on average, he was doing a new piece almost every 36 to 38 hours. But then I think the other insight is the fact that even though he's a famous painter, he has a handful of famous paintings out of 900 that he did. But it's only because that he did the 900 that he's able to have these few famous paintings.